Zombie baseball. Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies. Can you score a winning home run? The game starts with the home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Let's give my new present a test run. Awesome!
Ah! You shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious. Sweet shot.
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at bat.
Looks like they want to play ball.
Here I go! Woo!
You're not getting in the way of my Nick.
Woo!
I'm Ted Williams, your face!
Yeah!
Check out that form.
Yeah, 1 point!
It's a party!
Oh my god, that rocks!
Cool!
What does mean?
Yeah! Yeah! Yes!
Another hit.
Rocks!
I should have been team captain.
Oh man!
Well, the game's over. Guess that bomb's gonna go off. While you're blown into a million fucking pieces, think we'll wrap things up in the booth. See ya!